Colonialism shaped the modern world, but a few nations successfully resisted it. Let's explore why some countries avoided colonization. Geography played a key role in avoiding colonization. For instance, Ethiopia, Japan, and Thailand leveraged their locations to maintain sovereignty. Ethiopia's mountains thwarted invasion in 1896. Thailand negotiated as a neutral state, while Japan's island status insulated it. Strong leadership and diplomacy were crucial in resisting colonization. Leaders modernized their nations and fostered international relations. Kings of Thailand modernized the country, while Menelik II of Ethiopia used diplomacy against European powers. Japan's Meiji Restoration initiated rapid industrialization. Military strength and a readiness to resist invasion were instrumental in maintaining independence. Ethiopia's modern army defeated Italy, while Japan's victory in the Russo-Japanese War showcased its military might. Cultural unity and a strong national identity helped these nations resist foreign influence. Bhutan, Nepal, and Iran exemplified this aspect. Bhutan and Nepal maintained independence through robust identities, while Iran's historical prestige aided its resilience. Economic stability and strategic trade engagement were also significant in avoiding colonization. Thailand modernized economically, ensuring its value to Western powers without losing sovereignty. Likewise, Japan's reforms enhanced its global trade position. In conclusion, a blend of strategic advantages and resilience against colonial pressures allowed some nations to maintain independence.